Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kendall with Floor Refinishing. So, guys, we're working in actually Oldfield, Long Island today. We are doing a full sand and refinish and UV cure. This is one of our jobs that we have set up where we have the moving company came in and move out all the furniture, and the furniture goes back into the unit you see back there. Okay, so if you have the hardwood floors that need to be refinished, we have a moving company and a part company that we can coordinate with you, and they can come drop the part. Moving company will come in, they'll move all the furniture out. We'll come in, we'll sand and refinish the floors. Once the floors are sand and refinish, the moving company will come back and put all your furniture back, hassle-free hardwood floor refinishing. Once again, my name is Kendall with Floor Refinishing. Please reach out to us at severofloorrefinishing.com.